Taking a look at Bitcoin from the previous video, we can see that Bitcoin has actually capitulated down into the green box. Now, the reason we came up with this was as long as Bitcoin remained over the 382, which if we pull our fib from this low here, actually I think it might have been this one, right? Or it was the 236 actually. From the low to the high, we were bouncing off of the 236, and we made the case that breaking below this level would send you down to the 382, which is 80,000. And obviously, we're seeing buyers come in. Now, we were unable to clear the 382 up here, which is why this has an X on it. Now, all we have to do is simply pull the resistance levels down as we have formed a new low. And now we can say that as long as Bitcoin is actually below $90,000, it would actually be considered still bearish. Now, if Bitcoin is able to reclaim $90,000, then you would argue that a bottom has formed right on top of the 382. So I'm just going to delete this so we can redraw a cleaner chart and we can actually draw what we're saying. So from the low here up to the high, you can see that Bitcoin is bouncing right on the 382. Obviously, if you draw the same fib that we were using last time from the high to the low, Bitcoin's 382 is about 89, and obviously the support is now going to be resistance at about 90,000. So by definition, Bitcoin can come all the way up to 90,000 and still actually be bearish down to 73,000. Now, if we get back over 90,000, we would avoid another capitulation and we would rally back up to the 618 retracement, which is 96,000. And in my opinion, Bitcoin getting over 96,000 would actually send you up to a new high. Obviously, if we get stuck at 96,000, then we'll have to revisit whatever happens when we get there. But at any time, Bitcoin taking out 80,500 would most likely send you down to 73,000. So none of this is financial advice.